cosplay world, wire really isn't too bad to store, honestly. The biggest worry I have for it is that, well, like string or other loose cosplay materials or tools or whatever the wire scenario goes in your brain with, it can get tangled up and jumbled. And so I try to, when I put it away in an orderly fashion, or zip tie it or secure it so it's not a huge mess once I come back to it. The other thing is that it is metal, so leaving it in the garage is something I don't do. It can lead to oxidation, and where usually it's not a huge deal with the appearance. If it's something I'm going to be jointing with, it is a problem if part of it rusts and I have to fix it where it snaps off, because fixing a wire that's internally placed in a cosplay is a huge pain in the butt, and I don't want to leave it there because then it could damage the internals of the costume itself or be very uncomfortable for me to wear or use. But otherwise, wire, really, obviously a metal, holds up pretty good. I don't need to worry about it. Maybe I need to worry about it damaging the material that's around it, and so I make sure to cushion it from that. But otherwise, not a huge deal. I hope this helps you. Good times to all. Hurrah! If you're looking for cosplay tutorials, I might have a few hundred. Anyway, if that interests you, hit that sub button.